Good evening, friends. A hearty welcome to my YouTube channel, and I am Dr. M.H. Annaya. In this video, friends, we are required to draw the isometric drawing of the combination of three different solids. And let's see which are those three solids and how to go ahead with the solution for the given question. If the frustum of a square pyramid of side 50 mm and 40 mm, that is, we have got a frustum of a square pyramid which has got a top square face, bottom square face, having dimensions 50 mm and 40 mm. This is 50 mm, other one is 40 millimeter, and the height of that is 60 mm. That is resting on the top of a square block of 70 mm side. 70 mm is the side and thickness of that is 20 mm. And over and above this frustum, there is a sphere of diameter 40 mm thus placed on the top of the frustum. So here we have got three solids: a sphere resting on the frustum of a square pyramid, and this in turn is resting on a square block. So friends, we are going to learn how to draw the isometric drawing of the combination of these three solids. So in fact, it consists of solution for isometric drawing of three different solids. Friends, what we do, let me start this problem with this square block. And it has got a dimension of 70 millimeter, and we are drawing the isometric drawing. When I say it is isometric drawing, friends, you have to take the actual dimensions, or the figure you get in the isometric drawing is to be drawn to a scale of 1:1. Whatever the dimension you have here, it has to be transferred here onto these on lines which are inclined at an angle of 40 degrees, 30 degrees to the horizontal. Sorry. Now, let me start with this square block. Friends, we are going to draw two lines of length 70 mm from this reference point. 70 mm this side, 70 mm this side, and these two lines are inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. And friends, the height of this is given to be 20 mm. Height of that square is 20 mm. So I will just mark the height is equal to 20 mm is our actual square. So 20 here I mark 20 and 20 and this thing. Then I complete the projection of the square block. This is going to be the projection of the square block. So I am not going to darken it now. So at the end I will show you how it will appear. Next friend, you have the frustum of a square pyramid which is having sides of 50 mm and 40 mm. Friends, this is 70, this should be 50, and very obviously you should leave a gap of 10 millimeter on all the four sides and construct this box. This has got a dimension of how much? 50 millimeter. 50 here, 50, 50 and 50. Similarly friends, at the top, at a height of 60 millimeter from there, we have a smaller side of the frustum that is 40 millimeter. So this 40 millimeter one, this was 50. Okay, then to make it 40, it should be 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter left on all the four sides, because this is 40 plus 5 plus 5 becomes 50. So friends, these are the four different points where you are going to have the top surface of the frustum of the square pyramid. Friends, now before going to the projection of this sphere, friends, what we will do, we will complete the isometric drawing of these 1 and 2, figure number 1 and 2. Friends, I will show them by thin lines to start with. This is for the square pyramid, and these edges, four slant edges are like this. This is the first edge, this is the second edge, this is the third edge, and all these edges will have a dimension of how much? This is 50 at the bottom, 50 here is also 50, and here we are going to have that complete 50 and 50. So here friends, I can complete this bottom box comfortably. So friends, I am going to join this line by a dark line, this by a dark line, this vertical line, a visible line here, then this line, visible line, line parallel to that, a vertical line. And friends, here, this has to be drawn till here. So that is the top face of the square block we have got here. This is the top surface of the block parallel to this. So probably it will be like this. So this is going to be like this, friends. Now on the top of this, we are going to have a sphere placed. The sphere has got a diameter of 40 mm, friends. Now in the isometric drawing, we have to take the height from here. The height is equal to the isometric height, that is the diameter is 40, radius is 20. So we have to take isometric height of 20. So taking that as the center, we have to draw a circle from this center. So friends, you are going to have a circle written in this fashion. So friends, this is the isometric drawing of the sphere which is resting on the top surface of this frustum of a square pyramid. So I am going to darken these lines which are remaining. Up to here we should draw. The portion behind that is not visible. Let me darken these slant edges of the frustum of the square pyramid. Again the bottom edges of the same. Friends, we have got the complete isometric projection of the combination of these three solids placed one over the other. Friends, after completing this, we have to remove or delete all the construction lines which are not required now, so that your drawing is going to have a beautiful view. So friends, what I do, apart from this sphere, frustum and the block, I am going to remove all these unwanted lines. Not unwanted to say, they are the construction lines. We can remove all these lines one by one. So I will have these removed now. So I have removed all these. Then all the lines coming inside that sphere are also to be removed. And again these lines on the other end, including the dimension, are to be removed totally. So friends, in isometric projection or isometric drawing, we generally do not show the construction lines. They are always removed so as to give a nice view of the object. So this is how it looks, friends. This is one side, top side, and this is the other side you have got. So friends, we have removed all the construction line, and this is how the object, the combination of the three solids look in the isometric drawing. So I will write down here, this is an isometric drawing. Isometric drawing, or it is also called isometric view. Isometric view of the combination of the solids. Friends, before I conclude this video, I would like to say that in the same question, instead of asking the isometric projection, if they had asked isometric projection, then the procedure is exactly the same, excepting that all these dimensions that are given are to be multiplied by 0.815, and those dimensions are to be used here to construct the isometric drawing or isometric view. Dear friends, I presume that the presentation was interesting. Please go through the complete video, and if you like this video, do share the information about this video and the information about my YouTube channel link, that is Engineering Drawing by Dr. M.H. Annaya. Have a blessed evening. Thank you very much for watching my YouTube video.